Hi, Nate Roston here in Milton, Freewater, Oregon with Northwest Steel. What we want to show you today is the day in the life of an outside service tech. When we're flying out to the customer, depending on the situation, we'll try to take the earliest flight possible so that we can get there and get started. We flew from Denver, DIA, to Pascal, Washington. We had to rent a car, drove about an hour, and now we're here at the customer. You never know where you find yourself. You might be in Oregon one week, New Mexico the next week. It keeps you on your toes. For me, it's pretty exciting to be able to go travel to different places and help people in the industry. When I'm going to visit a customer, that's where my primary focus is, whether it's a warranty issue or a training or where we're doing service work. We want to make sure that that customer is completely satisfied before we go. I worked for a company called Englert for about 15 years, and we were a customer of NewTek. So we sold NewTek machines. So I did a lot of work with Ron Shell and Steve Ivaniak as a customer. When I left Englert, it was really kind of easy for me to go right into working with NewTek. There really isn't a school for roll forming. There is engineering and mechanical things, but when it comes to learning how metal's formed, you really have to have the experience. So for someone new starting out, pay attention to the basics, attention to detail. That's one of the things that really, for me, is like the most important. Every little detail matters, especially to our customers. Favorite part of my job is meeting new people, whether it's via training or service or just being able to show someone how to maintain and operate their equipment. Some of the challenges you'll find is if you're working on a machine and you don't have the part, and you have to wait for that part, or you have to improvise or go get a part made. Sometimes the customer's too busy to help or too busy to answer your questions or give you all the information. And so you have to diagnose the situation on your own. Once we've completed our task or our assignment for the day, we want to make sure that we check in with the customer to make sure there aren't any other details that we need to wrap up. Once we do that, take the car back, and then we'll fly back to Denver. And then next week, we'll be off to another adventure. Check out our NTM Learning Center so that you can learn more about your panel machine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.